Today we're diving into the captivating story of the Golden Gate Bridge. I mean, it's not every day you hear about an engineering masterpiece that spanned a nearly 2-mile strait of turbulent waters.
I'm totally with you. This is fascinating. How did they even begin to imagine something like that back in the 1930s?
It was a dream of chief engineer Joseph Strauss. He envisioned a suspension bridge that would connect San Francisco to Marin County, bridging the Golden Gate Strait. People thought it was impossible, but Strauss, along with a talented team, made it a reality.
Wow, so this wasn't just about construction. It was about overcoming an almost impossible feat.
Absolutely. It wasn't just a bridge. It was a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition. They weren't just building something functional. They were pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible with bridges at the time. The design was groundbreaking, a marvel of engineering.
So, what made the Golden Gate Bridge so remarkable?
Well, the key is the suspension system. This is what makes the bridge so strong. The entire structure relies on two massive main cables spanning across the strait, held by two towering towers. These cables are made from over 27,000 wires that were spun on-site. It's a massive network of strength, literally supporting the weight of the bridge.
That's incredible. But it's more than just engineering, right? It's visually stunning too. The international orange color is iconic.
You're spot on. That color was the brainchild of architect Irving Morrow. It was a bold choice. He wanted something that stood out, especially in the fog. He chose orange, a color that was considered a very modern and vibrant choice at the time.
So it was a combination of functionality and aesthetics.
Exactly. It was a masterpiece. You have this impressive engineering feat with a bridge that is both functional and beautiful. It's really a perfect combination of form and function.
And to think, they built all this during the Great Depression. Funding must have been a challenge.
You bet. The construction was funded mainly through bonds supported by local taxpayers. It was a bold move, especially during such a difficult time, but it was worth it. The bridge became a symbol of hope and resilience.
I bet it brought a lot of jobs and tourism too.
Absolutely. It was a huge economic driver for the region. It boosted transportation, creating a vital link between San Francisco and Marin County, and it attracted millions of visitors, putting San Francisco on the map as a major tourist destination.
That's amazing, a true testament to the power of bold public works projects. So what's the situation like today? Is the bridge still in great shape?
Well, it's been undergoing regular maintenance and improvements. The bridge is still incredibly strong, but with the area's seismic activity, they've been prioritizing earthquake resilience. They've been doing a lot of retrofitting to keep it safe.
It's incredible that they can preserve a landmark like that while still making sure it can handle future earthquakes.
They've also added a lot of features that benefit today's visitors and commuters, like modernized lighting, updated traffic safety measures, and new pedestrian and bike paths. It's still as iconic as ever, a beloved landmark for millions.
It really is a testament to how the Golden Gate Bridge has been able to blend its history with modern advancements. It's not just a bridge, it's a timeless symbol of human achievement, a symbol of progress and resilience.
And it's still attracting millions of visitors every year, making it one of the most recognized symbols of San Francisco and the United States. It's a real testament to how a great idea, combined with visionary engineering and design, can truly leave its mark on the world. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and see the Golden Gate Bridge for yourself. It's an experience you won't forget.